tell my friends your dream?
I had a dream that I killed somebody.
Damn, that's not funny, Denim. That's a bad.
It's like random because it's like, why?
Who was it?
Somebody I went to school with.
Do you know them?
No.
See, there's no signs.
Love you.
Love you too. Peace out. This is tea from England. This is English tea. And this is how their tea bags look. It's literally like a bag. Sea moss.
I'm finding it hard to be here in the city. I know you feel lost. It's my fault completely.
Look how dark this tea is, this English tea. Can you see it? It's strong, black tea.
I don't recognize myself in corners of the daylight. So I ain't surprised you could read all of my lies. I feel so bad to be here and I'm so guilty. I'm so far gone, you're the only one who can save me.
I'm downstairs in my home office. So yeah, I have a meeting and I didn't want to have it. I didn't want to be in my beauty room. You know what I'm saying? My regular room. So this is actually pertains to Denim. He's 11th grade. He's going to 12th grade. So yeah, it's just a recap of what his, I don't know why the schools do y'all I don't know if anybody else have teenage sons or daughters that's in 11th grade, but Denim school and high school, they at the end of each year, because school's over in May, and usually around this time after spring break, before the last day of school, right around where finals exams is coming up, they usually do like an evaluation. So I don't know, comment down below, but this is something that pretty much happens every year, so this is nothing new. The meeting starts at 3:30. It's now 3:26. I need to go on my job and change my status from available to in a meeting. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay. And y'all see I had to, you know, look a little presentable because I'm meeting with the assistant principal. Who else am I meeting with? The counselor. My little wig on, y'all. I ain't trying to take on my twist. No, no, no. Alright, so I got, what time is it? I got 1 more minute. And I have my notepad because I'm that mom. I'm that mom. I take notes. I write everything down. I have a notepad, but I don't. Matter of fact, it's all the way over there. I'm just gonna get a sheet of paper.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
I cannot hear you.
Oh, sorry. Okay, can you hear me?
If he wants to participate, he can participate with you there.
Who, Denim?
Yeah, he's with his Spanish teacher right now.
Oh, okay. I'm like, he's
in
not.
the meeting.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, meeting is over, and I gotta pick Denim up. He was actually in the meeting with us, so obviously he missed his school bus. So I'm on my way to go pick him up from school. For lunch, I had broccoli cheddar soup, and I had a salad. That is what I had for lunch today. Oh yeah. Oh, my sweetie. He watched my video and he put a comment, beautiful smile. Oh, I love my sweetie. Where is Denim? Do he know I'm still at work? I'm still on the clock, y'all. I did put myself out in a meeting, but then I turned myself back to available. So, hold on. Hey, Denim. go. I want you to tell them, what did all your teachers say what your one weakness was? The phone. The phone, Denim. That damn phone. Like, I don't get it. Like, just put the damn phone down. You know they don't like it. Even though everything else was great. You answered perfectly. When they said what you want to be, you going to college, you said no. Oh man, why didn't I go the other way? Damn, I should have turned down there. You know, you said no. Fine with me. You know, not everybody going to college, so that's okay. But then when he asked what you want to do, I was like, oh. I was like, if he says producer, because you know we were dealing with older people, you know, if you would have said producer, they would have been like, I don't know what they would have said, to be honest with you. You know, they probably, because Denim makes beats, y'all know that, he makes all the beats in my videos. Anyway, they would have been like, oh, producer, just another, you know, while you saying trade school and electrician, because that was granddad. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I know granddad did something. He flicked that lights off and on in that school. Something flickered with electricity. But you heard what the assistant principal said, right?
Yeah.
He said, you gonna make a lot of money. Didn't he say that? Electricians make money, y'all. Don't sleep. People be thinking, oh, you gotta go to college to make a lot of money. No, you don't. So yeah, that was a good meeting, Denim. That was a good meeting. I was impressed when you told the teacher that you requested tutoring for that particular class, and your lowest grade is a 72. I mean, that's not even failing to me.
Yeah.
Is it? No, right? It's not even failing. So I think the meeting was phenomenal. I'm so proud of you, Denim. I'm so proud of you. I'm so blessed. I'm so, y'all just don't know. I got the chosen one. I mean, I made fuss with him about having a damn phone in his hand all in school. You know what I'm saying? But he's a teenager. They all do that. He ain't killing nobody. So I wouldn't replace my son for anybody. I'm grateful. So I'm proud of you, Denim. Your mommy's proud of you. Alright, y'all, I gotta get back to work. I know they like, where the hell is Nicole?
Well, you look good. You got to look at ass stuff. You got that?
I'm fixing myself up, y'all. Sweetie's over there trying to get Shaq's autograph. I don't know if you see him, but he's back there trying to get Shaq's autograph. He got Shaq's card, an old basketball card when Shaq was playing for, I think he was playing for, I think it was Orlando, I'm not sure. But yeah, so I'm walking around looking at these nice cars.
Lamborghinis with the share lights on.
I go, here's the Lamborghinis. They're right.
I needed a break, y'all. I had to, sweetie. It was too, I felt like I was just baking in the sun. You know what I mean? What a tay, what a tay. Sitting down next to me, Denim. You're not gonna leave that there, right, Denim? You're not gonna leave that there. That's not you, right? We don't litter, do we? Alright, y'all, what you have for breakfast? You didn't eat? And you out here walking around in the sun? Crackers for breakfast, Denim? I had oatmeal and a cup of coffee and some water. So I know you guys are hungry.
I'm dailying it for now. And then
Wow.
most famous lunch. Chick-fil-A, mac and cheese, large fries, honey mustard sauce. And they have this new drink, y'all. It's called the watermelon mint. So this is my first time trying this out. Let's see what it tastes like. Wow, taste this, sweetie. Don't like it.
Like medicine.
Delicious. Denim, taste it. Watermelon mint. Hold it good.
Like cough medicine. Yeah, medicine.
I don't like it. I love it.
Medicine.
I taste the mint.
Guys, that tastes like cough medicine.
You know, it doesn't matter what it is. Anything I like, he doesn't like.
Making one of them fries.
Anything I like, he doesn't like.
Well, you should let me taste.
And anything he likes, I don't like.
You should let me taste it first, and then I can tell you what it tastes like.
It doesn't matter though what you like. It matters if I like it because I ordered it. Anybody want some macaroni and cheese? Taste this. Good, right? I'm addicted to Chick-fil-A. French fries and honey mustard. Lowe's is not closed today. My hair is wild. That's the exit. So, you know, as you know, I'm gonna look at some patio stuff. I know I got patio already. I just wanna look. And I'm gonna look at some plants and some flowers. These you could burn in the house. I like the one that has rose. I want some candles. And these bowls is when you put your sage in. But let's look around some more. You like that one? You like that one, Denim?
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you so much. Thank you. You want to introduce yourself?
My name is Kaylin.
Oh,
I work at Mystic Moon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's up, my beautiful people? I am back in the building. I just wanted to show you guys what I got from Mystic Moon. It's like a spiritual shop, black owned, by the way. And they're located in Jonesboro, Georgia, right off of Tara Boulevard, right behind Juicy Crab Legs, if you guys are familiar with that area. So I found them on Instagram, and I was running low on, actually I ran out of my sage. So I was like, you know what, they would be perfect, you know what I'm saying? Just take a drive, it's a nice day. Take a drive and go out there and check them out. So don't mind my shirt, y'all. My shirt is dirty. I was out all freaking day today. What a day. They sell a lot of nice things. So the first thing I saw when I got in there was this smudge candle. See that? Okay, here we go. Ooh, it smells so good. Patchouli powdery scent. So this is what the inside looks like. Yeah, that's what the inside. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really, really good. Yeah, and it's kind of strong too. I probably don't even have to light it. It smells good. If I leave it open, I can just smell it out throughout my room. Got some Florida water. If you know, you know. Florida water is a unisex fragrance, like a cologne. And what it does is just cleanse you from all negativity. It's basically used for like spiritual cleansing. You know what I'm saying? You put on your hands, you may dash a little bit on you when you're doing your meditation in the morning. So people have different remedies. Some people burn candles, but you can use this for cleansing, and it's known for cleansing. So I got this little kit. Now I don't want y'all to be thinking like, God girl, what you got going on over there? Let me tell you, I'm all about healing, positivity. I don't have time for negative. I don't have time for drama. I just became more self-aware and more aware of what my surrounding was. I stopped hanging out with certain people. I stopped partying as hard as I used to. I stopped drinking, and if you guys see me drinking, it will be like a glass of wine or something. I stopped eating meat. I became more self-aware, more aligned with the higher power. I meditate every day. I write in my journal every day. And I'm just more in tune with self, you know what I'm saying? So I don't have time for negative, you know, and it's around us. Negativity is everywhere around us. So this is how I deal with the negativity, whether it's work, whether it's, you know, friends, family, whether it's, you know, with me losing my dad. It's just a lot, you know what I'm saying? So I just try to stay in a positive vibe all the time. I try, and it's not easy, but I try. So here's a little set that I got. I got these beads here, which I probably give to Sweetie. Yeah, and it's like wood, and it has the chakra. You know, most people will say, oh, it's rainbows, but it's really the chakra colors. Look up chakra and you see what they are. Here's the Palo Santos. This is what you burn as if you were going to burn incense. What is Palo Santos used for? Palo Santos is a traditional remedy for pain, inflammation, and stress. It's also used to clear out negative energy. You can burn Palo Santo as incense or apply the oil on your skin. I usually burn my incense right here. You know what I'm saying? Every day. So I burn an incense, but now I have the Palo Santos. And I think, to me, the Palo Santos, I don't know, it just has a sweet smell to it. You guys know what a sage is. A sage cleanses the energy in your home. And these has rose petals and flowers on here. So, yep. And it smells so good. So, here's my sage. This beautiful seashell. Look how pretty that is. It's pink and gold. I bought this because when I'm burning my sage, I can just lay it here. See that? That's my spiritual healing. If you know, vibes don't lie. You can tell when somebody is around you. You can tell something ain't right. You know what I'm saying? You can tell when you walk into a room. You can tell something's not right. That's your spirit. That's your soul telling you, I don't need to be in here. You know what I'm saying? I need to go. You can tell when you're around people that are trouble. You know what I mean? Like they gossip or they drama or I don't have time for that. So I'm not that person. If you need to make a phone call and you need to call me and talk about other people, then don't call me. I'm not that person. I don't want no negativity. I don't gossip. I don't have time for that. Okay? I'm all about my spiritual alignment, working, making money, taking care of my family, doing video content for you guys. That's it. You know what I'm saying? I'm all in alignment. I'm trying to stay on my path and stay focused and not be distracted by anything, by any means necessary. I'm a bead girl, by the way. I love my beads. Speaking of beads, I just want to give a shout out to my cousin Monique. She went to the Bahamas in January and she came back and gave me these. These are so lovely. So Monique, if you are watching this video, thank you so much, girl. I wear this all the time. Yes. So I'm a beads girl. Love my beads. So that is all I bought from Mystic Moon. Once again, go ahead and check them out. It's a black-owned business. She's located in Jonesboro, Georgia, right off of Tara Boulevard behind Juicy Crab. My outfit of the day, I have on some cargo pants, actually some army pants that I got from the army store, the Army and Navy store. I've had these for a very long time. I have this t-shirt on. It's pretty dirty. It's the end of the day, but I have this t-shirt on. I cut it here and I tied it up right there. And I wore these old sneakers, my Adidas, and it has pretty on the side of it. So this is what I wore today, guys. Don't play with it. 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 That is it for this video. I'm about to go take these clothes off and go take me a nice shower. And I might light an incense, chill. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Peace and blessings.